Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the Bandai Master Grade Eclipse Gundam Reactor 1 or the Unit 1. So, there we go. I just finished fixing and modifying the kit, even though I already built it in 2024. So I just used or fixed those joints, especially the joints here on the waist, and I just find that this has the dreaded J4 peg as well as the J10. So I just reinforced the J4 by adding Mighty Bond coat or super glue coat just to make it thick, and sand it just to make the tie glide smoothly, and so it can stand on its own. And I reinforced some of the joint in the small feet. The feet there is really small that can't make the kit stand on its own, but after I modify it, now it can stand on its own, even with this heavy backpack of the Shiranui pack from the no grade Akatsuki Gundam. So I didn't buy the expansion for this kit, the Raijin something, the Raijin pack, I don't know. Anyway, I am contented with this pair Shiranui pack from the no grade Akatsuki Gundam to be installed on its back, so to make it unique. So there we go. This kit, to be honest, is really light. It's not that heavy, even though it has so many parts installed. And good thing it can now stand on its own since I already reinforced the pegs. Okay, so I will not focus on the transformation sequence of this kit because I hate transforming kits. So first of all, let's make some size comparison with the kit. So let's compare it with the Astral Frame D, the one with the same color scheme for this kit. So I always think that this kit are brothers. So for me, they are brothers because of their color scheme, although they are not in the same manga or series, although they are both from seed lines. Okay, and let's compare it with the other kit that cannot stand on its own as well, but I just reinforced those feet to make it stand. So the Amatsuhana from the band is the band version. So they are very nice kits. I really like this tree to stand side by side. Okay, so let's compare it with the other GAT kits that I have here. So I have the Buster Gundam from Bandai. So there we go. We got the Buster Gundam there. So it's shorter compared with the Eclipse Gundam. Okay, so let's review the kit. And first of all, let's remove first the pack, the Shiranui pack here. So the Shiranui pack is really loose and a bit troublesome there. So Shiranui pack remove. So this is the original one, and I just put the striker or the this is the striker pack attachment for the sword and gun launcher, something like that. Sword striker, gun striker, I forgot. Anyway, I just want to reattach this here to make it more buff. Okay. So articulation wise, this kit is a bit flimsy and loose, especially the other parts. So for me, you need to glue those parts that are not moving. Okay, so there we go. The head can rotate side by side like that. Okay, and I really like the appearance of the head. The V-fin is small, but it has ears on that. These ears here, which looks like a spoiler. It's very cool. The arms is bizarre since it's connected with, it's not connected directly on this shoulder peg there. So for transformation, as you can see, it is there connected, hanging on those structure here. So it's not that secure on the torso. It's not directly inserted in the torso. So the arms can move. So this is a bit tight there. So let's first remove the guns, which is connected here on the side. So let's remove the gun, which is very tightly attached on the side skirt. Okay. Okay. There we go. So the arms can somehow rotate like that 360 degrees, but it's a bit tight. And as you can see, the flap here was removed. So there. And the shoulder here can raise to this far, and it has double jointed elbow bend, at least 180 degrees, but you need to raise the flap like that. And we got here the shield, the Qatar shield here. It can also move like that. So the shield has this beam attached. I didn't remove the beam. I like the beam to be attached there. Okay. And the waist, this is very problematic, so be careful with the waist, because this has so many points of articulation that if you play so much, it will loosen up, especially if you attach striker packs there. So the waist here has this kind of flaps here. This is the side skirt. The front skirt can raise like that. The back skirt has different structure here for transformation. It has this kind of wing attached on the back. And for the legs, it can kick forward up to this far and kick backward up to that far. As you can see there, I broke the J10, that crack there. I broke the J10 and reinforced it with super glue. And there you can see the super glue markings and some sand markings there, but I am not worried because this is already reinforced. This is a bit strong now, and even if I play too much with this, it will not break, but still extra cautious. The legs here can bend like this, double jointed. The legs are really flimsy, to be honest, but reinforcing it will help the joints on the knees tighten like that. Okay, so for the feet, the feet is very small. As you can see, the feet is really small like this, and the support for the kit, when it's standing, comes on this structure here, the pointy structure here. So this act as an extra heel. Okay, so the kit is really nice. I remember the Mahago anime on the transformation of this kit, but I will not, of course, perform the transformation on this kit because I don't like. Okay. So there are so many pointed things here that you need to be careful of, and there. By the way, the hands, I changed it to Dalin decal hands. Okay. So for the weapons, we got this kind of weapon here. This gun has a dual purpose. So we got this kind of gun, and at the same time a beam saber. It can be pulled out like that, and will attach the beam there, but I lost the beams. That's the problem. I lost the beams. And this gun here, this barrel here will act as a scabbard if you remove the gun like this. So you will attach a beam saber effect part there. So I cannot show you because I lost it. Anyway, this is the gun, and we got two sets of connector pieces here. So there, we got another connector pieces here, which is very, yeah, like that. Okay. So these pegs here will attach to the side skirts. And for the back here, the connectors, I believe that these connectors can connect most of the seed striker packs, wizard packs, or any packs that you like, because it has adapters on it. So for the meantime, I will just use the gold one, the Akatsuki Shiranui pack, because this is the available striker pack that I have floating, or spare striker pack that I have on my arsenal here at home. Okay, so there we go. This would be just a short video or short review for the Eclipse Gundam Master Grade from Bandai. So I bought it around 3,800, and now I know that there's the banned version for this, which is sold cheaper, about 1,200 pesos, I think. What do you think? Would you like to buy the Bandai or the banned version? So for those who buy the banned, please comment in the comment section if the banned quality is also good. To be honest, I much like the Unit 2 or the Reactor 2 version of this, the black one, the black and red color scheme, instead of this, but that is very hard to find and very expensive. I hope some third-party modelers will recreate that kind of mobile suit or model kit. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Galba Studio, and see you next time on my other builds and reviews. Goodbye.